Ever wonder why some people just naturally draw others in? Well, that's what today's video is all about. We're diving deep into powerful yet ethical techniques to make others genuinely want to be around you. Specifically, how to build attraction and spark interest naturally and authentically. Whether you're looking to strengthen a relationship or attract someone new, by the end of this video, you'll know the steps to take. And remember, these aren't manipulative. They're tools for connecting on a deeper level. Let's jump right in. 1. Have your own life. To start, building attraction begins with you and your own life. Think of it this way. If your life is vibrant and exciting, it naturally adds to your appeal. Picture it like a best-selling book. If you want others to invest time in you, there has to be substance. So take the time to enrich your life with hobbies, goals, and things you're passionate about. What's one hobby or activity you're proud of? Share in the comments. 2. Pursue an interesting passion or hobby. Speaking of hobbies, having just one real passion you're invested in is huge. Not only does it make you more interesting, but it shows that you're a person who values growth and fulfillment. It could be anything from learning an instrument to mountain climbing. Just make sure it's something you're genuinely passionate about. When you're true to yourself, people notice. 3. Maintain great hygiene. Now this one may sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. Maintain good hygiene. Smelling fresh and feeling clean is a basic yet powerful way to make a lasting impression. Shower regularly, put on deodorant, and maybe use a bit of cologne. It's amazing how much a pleasant scent can boost your appeal. 4. Ask her to help you out. There's something known as the Benjamin Franklin effect. When you ask someone to do you a favor, it subtly increases their fondness for you. So next time you're in a casual setting, ask for small favors. Something like passing a pen or holding a door can make someone feel valued. But remember to keep it light and infrequent to maintain the effect. 5. Make her laugh. Humor is a universal language, and everyone loves to laugh. Even if you don't consider yourself the funniest, put yourself in situations where you can share a laugh. The more you try, the better you'll get, and the more you'll naturally make people smile. By the way, if you're finding value here, consider hitting subscribe for more content like this. We're all about personal growth, psychology, and relationships, and you won't want to miss what's coming up next. 6. Be her friend first. Building a foundation of friendship creates trust. This doesn't mean falling into the friend zone, but rather showing genuine care. Listen, support, and don't rush things. Sometimes the best relationships start with a strong friendship, where you both truly get to know each other. 7. Break the touch barrier. Breaking the touch barrier is a subtle yet effective way to create a comfortable atmosphere. Nonchalant touches, like a light tap on the shoulder or a friendly high five, communicate that you're relaxed around her. But be attentive to her reactions to ensure she's comfortable. 8. Share a secret. Opening up and sharing something personal invites trust and often encourages others to share in return. By showing you trust her, she's more likely to trust you too. Make sure to choose something lighthearted yet personal. A fun fact or quirky detail about yourself works great. 9. Give her your full attention. In our busy world, giving someone your full attention is one of the most valuable things you can offer. When you're with her, be present, listen carefully, and make mental notes. Mentioning small details later will show her that you genuinely care, which is both rare and attractive. 10. Build your confidence. Confidence is attractive. By investing in yourself, working on your goals, and consistently improving, you'll naturally exude confidence. Exercise, work on personal goals, and celebrate your progress. Confidence radiates and draws people in. These 10 tips can not only boost attraction but also foster genuine connections. Remember, authenticity and self-improvement are key. So, which of these tips resonated most with you? Leave a comment and let us know. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into relationships and personal growth. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.